Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so troubleshooting isn't wasted time. Check model and iOS, toggle volume buttons while on a call, and disable Do Not Disturb. This rules out software locks. Remove any case and gently clear debris from the earpiece. Dirt often muffles sound. Then place a test call using the earpiece, speaker, and wired or Bluetooth headset to isolate whether it's hardware or a system setting. Once done, you'll know which path to take next. Next, dive into system checks to catch hidden software causes. Reset network settings to clear any corrupted call profiles. This won't erase personal data, but removes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairings. Update iOS because patches often fix audio driver bugs, and inspect accessibility audio/visual for call audio routing or balance skew. Toggle airplane mode to drop and rebuild radio connections, then retest the call. If the issue changes, you've isolated a software or network interaction, so make note before proceeding to Finally, address hardware and escalation. If tests point to the receiver or internal damage, back up your iPhone and schedule service with Apple or an authorized provider for a receiver replacement. Physical repairs solve most muffled earpiece cases. As an interim solution, use speakerphone or a wired/Bluetooth headset for clear calls. If you're unsure, perform a factory reset after backup to rule out persistent software corruption. If the problem remains, it's almost certainly hardware, and you should proceed with professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.